Guys, 4:18 this afternoon. Sydney is back with us. It has been a busy 24 hours for firefighters, obviously fighting house fires, but also the brush fires as well that we continue to deal with.
Yeah, and a lot of that is from the wind. We've been seeing wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour today. We're finally going to see that calming a bit into the day tomorrow. Right now, there is not a red flag warning in place yet for tomorrow. Of course, that decision still could be made ahead of some moderately gusty conditions tomorrow. But overnight tonight, we're going to see winds between 15 and 20 miles per hour generally. Right along the coast, it could be a little bit higher, areas along the South Shore and along the Cape. And this does also coincide with a full moon that is on the way. So areas right along the coast during that high tide overnight tonight could see some splash over and through the day tomorrow as well. So tomorrow, wind gusts are likely going to be a little bit closer to 15 to 20 miles per hour. Today, they were about 10 miles per hour higher than that. So today we did have a red flag warning. This goes until 6 o'clock tonight. Any fires that develop, we've been talking about these red flag warnings for quite some time now. Any fires that develop do have the potential to spread pretty quickly, and those embers can even spread and catch on some leaves that are out and about or any of the brush that is out and about. So golden hour out there right now. You can see that in the camera. Temperatures are falling to the upper 30s as we go through our next few hours. It's another chilly morning tomorrow. So this is a little bit below normal as far as these low temperatures are concerned, but we've had our time with those above normal temperatures. And the next few afternoons, we're going to notice that it's going to feel a lot more like fall. So it's time to bring out the fall attire, because tomorrow morning we have temperatures that are going to be feeling like 22 degrees in Norwood. Along the coast, those feels like temperatures in the upper 20s, inland in the low 20s, even upper teens at times. So as you're waking up tomorrow, it's going to be feeling pretty cold out there. And even through our day tomorrow, we're going to be likely staying in the 40s. So just a reminder, as we've seen so many temperature swings, 52 degrees. That's our normal high temperature for this time of year. We haven't quite been there. Today was a little bit below that, but as we go through our next few days, we're going to see those temperatures pretty normal, especially for Friday. 52 degrees right there, and then 55 as we go into the day Saturday. Tomorrow, though, we're still in those middle 40s. So as far as temperatures go, the normal temperature, we haven't really been too close to that for much of November. We've been well above that. And if you look at this monthly breakdown from January now to November, most months we have had above normal temperatures, and November, the most significant so far, 7 degrees above normal. So this is our monthly departure from normal. August was less than 1 degree below normal. So those above normal temperatures definitely have been around, and they likely are going to be sticking around. Now, while we're talking about freezing temperatures here, we're still talking hurricane season. We have potential tropical cyclone 19 that has just now developed, and it is likely going to be moving over parts of Honduras and heading towards Belize, but eventually this could make it into the Gulf of Mexico, and it likely will make it into the Gulf of Mexico as we go towards the second half of the weekend and into next week, which could then bring in that potential for areas of rain and definitely very gusty winds along the Gulf Coast. So we're watching that very closely, as it could potentially then eventually bring some type of moisture in our direction, which we really do need, but that's still pretty far out. If that does happen, it would be Thursday into Friday that we'd be keeping an eye on those rain chances. In the meantime, though, it is very dry out there. Temperatures in the middle 50s for Friday, upper 50s to low 60s through the weekend. And our best chance for some sprinkles is going to be Monday until we get to the end of next week, when we have that chance for showers coming in Thursday and Friday. Temperatures at that point will be in the low 50s, and the next few mornings are the coldest that we're going to see on the 10-day.